Hi guys, welcome to challenge number 1 for our 7-day coloring challenge. We're doing this for autism awareness, but we're also doing this to raise funds. So remember, every page you submit helps to raise money. Our sponsors donate $1 for every page that's entered into the contest. So your coloring helps us to raise money for a great cause. So challenge number 1 of our 7-day challenge is rainbow theme. This is a fun one. It's all nice bright colors and makes us think of spring. So what are the colors of the rainbow? Well, there's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, which is purple. So what the heck is indigo? Yeah, great question. Indigo is kind of like in between blue and purple, but it's sort of a weird one. So feel free to leave that one out if you want. Plus, you know, it fits better this way. Yeah, so as long as you're using all those colors, you can use black and grays if you want, because I consider them more of shades. So feel free to get creative with those. Maybe you want to color some areas in with black, like, I don't know, maybe some of the letters or the people or something, make some lines thicker to make things pop more. Yeah, feel free to experiment. You can use dots and stripes and any kind of coloring that you want. It doesn't have to be as rich and bright as this. Just use these colors and try to stick to them best you can. Okay, go get started. Remember to check back every day until April 27th to get your next challenge for the 7-day challenge. All of the challenges will be posted to crystalsalomon.com/challenges. And check it out, because I'll also put different tips and tricks in there too that might help get you inspired. I'm Crystal Salamon, and remember, it's okay to color outside the lines.